Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation we're going to see how we go about unlocking or enabling an account that has been locked out. Once again, we're back up inside of Active Directory Users and Computers, and once you have that user's account that you want to unlock, just go ahead and double click it. Now go ahead and click on the Account tab. Now you will see a message here stating that the account is currently locked. So to unlock the account, all you have to do is just check the box. Now this is not the same as a disabled account. All this means is that the account is still active, but the user has banged away too many times typing in the wrong password, and due to a lockout policy, the account is now locked. A disabled account means that the account cannot currently be used. So now that you've seen how we unlock an account, let's go ahead and say apply, say OK. The next thing you're going to do to disable or enable account is to right click, and from here you're going to select disable or enable the account. Now once you select disable the account, you're going to get a message. Say OK, and now when you right click, you'll get the option to enable the account. Depending on your security policy, there may be times when you do create users accounts that are not ready to be rolled out. When that happens, you can roll out the accounts in Active Directory and pre-stage them, but before they're ready to be rolled out and given to the user, you may want to disable them. The indicator that indicates that the account is currently disabled is the arrow next to the user's icon pointing down. That's going to conclude this short video presentation on how we go about unlocking or enabling or disabling a user's account up inside of Active Directory. So if you have any questions or concerns about any of the material that was covered in this short video presentation, please do not hesitate to reach out and contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.